Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video from Self-Sufficient Mama. Today I wanted to do a quick recap and an update for the ivermectin horse paste for the use of COVID and any other thing you have going on in your system. I have had many questions and I am going to answer them for you today. One of the questions I was asked was, do you need to refrigerate this after it's open? Answer is no. The reason being, it can cause the ingredients to separate and we don't want to do that. So after you use your ivermectin, all you need to do is put the cap back on, keep it in a cool, dry place, and it should last up to the expiration date, which is posted on the bottom here. So this should last, because it is a pretty tight sealed cap. It should last until the expiration date, whether it has been opened or not. Also, on my last video, I accidentally pressed the syringe and it just splurted everywhere. So I'm going to show you how to properly do that. Right here is this little white notch. Each notch is 50 pounds. How you do it is you turn it, you hold the blue end, turn it to the side. There's a little leverage here thing, and where if you turn it you can move it up and down. So right now I have it set to where I've already used it. Each notch is 50 pounds, so I'm going to set mine for 200 pounds. So that's going to be 4 notches, 1 2 3 4. Then you're going to click this into place, and it's gonna stop right here because this is going to be a barrier to stop it. You're going to take the cap off. I put mine into a spoon to make it easier and less of a mess for other people that are going to use it. You're going to take it and you're going to squeeze, and it will give you the dose for where you set the notch to. So if you put it in water, it's not going to do anything. It's just going to stay like that. Make sure you put your cap back on and store it in a cool, dry place. You can also mix this in with food such as oatmeal, yogurt, ingest it that way. It does have a very bitter taste. I could compare it to dandelions. Has a very bitter taste. Please do your own research. I am not a medical expert. I am very glad to help all of the people that have shared their success stories with this better. I am so glad to hear that good news. I will include links throughout this video with more information, and I hope this video helps you guys. Please share it. Please share your questions, concerns, share your success stories. I wish everyone the best of health. Take care of yourselves, and thank you for watching my video. Be sure to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. It helps get the word out for my videos. I appreciate you all. I will see you soon.